today's video, I decided I wanted to share a realistic day of a stay-at-home mom. So I am still in my sweatpants, I'm wearing a t-shirt, to just do the things that we normally do every single day, which includes, you know, tidying up around the house, making sure dinner is prepped and ready to go before I go to my fitness class tonight. Come along with me. I hope you enjoy this very realistic day in the life. So let's get started. Here's my mess that we're gonna clean up. I just took those out of the dishwasher. Yeah, it is a little messy in here, and let's tidy up. This is amazing. It's not a Stanley. I don't own a Stanley, but I am very happy that I waited to purchase a 40-ounce tumbler because Brewmate came out with this one, and I like the sleek design on it. It is super cute. I feel like the Stanleys, I like the function of them, but I do not like the design of them. I don't think they're that cute, to be honest. And so this one, it has like a little seal on it, so you can turn it to seal, and if it is sealed, you can just throw it in like your gym bag or whatever, and it will not spill. So yeah, I think the price of this was pretty similar to the Stanley, but so much cuter. They had way more design options that spoke to me personally. I'll just post it here for you. It's kind of like, I'm very much a pink girl, so this color was perfect. Absolutely adorable. Doing the dishes is probably one of the hardest things for me because Alex has already interrupted me so many times. When he interrupted me last time, I set up this puzzle on this table for him to play with that lasts for a little bit. And now I gave him his Legos, and hopefully he will sit and play with his Legos for 5 more minutes so I can finish doing the dishes. I mean, there's not very many here, but he likes to get inside of the dishwasher, pull the rack out, you know, he likes to be little Mr. Helper. Kitchen is much cleaner. Countertops, I like to leave this out because I planned my day and I got a to-do list written down there. I'm going to take out the trash, and then we are going to do something fun like walk the dogs. Okay, change of plans. Alex is tired and I tried rocking him. He's not having it, and so I'm going to put a show on and we're going to just cuddle up on the couch, give him a bottle, see if he falls asleep. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Alex was definitely really tired. I just laid him down for a nap, watching him on the monitor here. He'll probably sleep anywhere from 30 minutes to 2 hours. Just kind of, you know, it's up to him and see how well that goes. So normally we rock him in the rocking chair and read him like anywhere from like, I don't know, 3 to 5 books. Sometimes we read the same book over and over, but Usually rocking him, reading to him, that helps him fall asleep, but just occasionally he just isn't having it. And so therefore I have to try alternative methods like sitting on the couch, watching a movie together, just cuddling up. That also helps. I turned on Trolls, I think, yeah, it was Trolls, and he was out in 5 minutes. So for lunch, I have steamed rice and smoked chicken breast along with the delicata. I just put it in the oven and I roasted that. So I'm going to mix that all together, and I'm not really sure, but I think I'm gonna put a little bit of chipotle sauce on it. So frustrated right now. I have been on the phone with insurance company for about an hour and 15 minutes. I'm dealing with claims from when I had Alex, which was over a year ago, and my insurance company paid for them and then they took the money back, and then now I'm dealing with it, and the hospital doesn't want to resubmit the claims. It's just really messy. Long story short, my advice for you is to keep every receipt, every call log that you have, because I have about almost $600 in claims that they're not going to win this one. So the dogs, I actually put the dogs in the garage today while I have been recording, because Kiko and Keela together get really loud and obnoxious in the background. They play fight and it is so loud I can't even talk to you. So therefore they've spent a lot of time in the garage. Unless a majority of the time they're in the garage or they sleep in our little laundry room that's off to the side here. They spend a lot of time in there as well, unless I'm able to sit down and watch them one-on-one with Alex. He very much runs them over with things. He crawls on them. He just doesn't know how to respect dogs yet. So I have to be really careful and cautious. Are you eating Alex's snacks? Kiko, what are you doing? What are you doing? You eating Alex's snacks? You want to say hi? Here, Kiko. You've already put your slobber on them. Might as well eat them. So yeah, Keela, I just let her outside. Also, when they go outside, they get really loud and rowdy. So I let them out one at a time. Look at my tea collection. So this is my tea drawer. I got really lucky. My sister-in-law loves tea, and she had a bunch of flavors that she said she was just getting tired of. So she let me have all this stuff, and I'm like, yes, jackpot. Okay, so anyways, this is organic chai tea. I went to the thrift store and I found this adorable, look how cute it is. It's a cute little teapot. So I'm gonna let it sit in there for about 5 minutes, and then along with the pot I got like these matching glasses. They're just so dang cute. I have, if you look up here, I have a set of 4 of them, and then they came with these little plates as well. So I'm definitely going to be using this a whole lot this winter. I just feel so fancy, and I don't know, tea's a new thing for me. Let's just called and said he might be working late today, which is kind of scary because if he gets off really late, I won't make it to Y-Fit class. Alex isn't a fan of the child care center there. So anyways, we'll just roll with the punches. Yeah, he indeed is still breathing. I just had to double check because he's been sleeping for a really long time. Anyways, I lit a candle. It's nothing fancy. It's a Walmart brand, the Mainstays Bourbon Pecan Pie. I know, Kiko, you can go out to the bathroom next. You just wait. All right, well, I am just finishing up my tea. I let Kiko outside and Miss Keela is here. She wants to go on her WALK and she will stay attached to my right hip until I take her. So I'm gonna get ready for that. So then when Alex wakes up, we can feed him, go on a walk, prep food, and hopefully go to CrossFit tonight or Y-Fit. So I need to charge my camera because my battery is dying. So I'm gonna do that right now. Hello. Hi. Hi. How is your nap? Oh, you're ready to get out? Huh? How is your nap? If you go to It's Shelly Leon on Instagram, I have some meal ideas on there on my highlights. And what we're gonna have today is this recipe. It's oven baked salmon, but instead of oven baked, we're going to smoke it today. And then we're gonna top it with cucumber, carrots, spicy mayo, avocado, liquid aminos, and then we're gonna serve it over steamed rice. So it is 3:30. I'm gonna go ahead and get that stuff prepped and ready to go. So then when Carlos gets home, all we have to do is smoke the salmon. It's at Hy-Vee. No special brand that I purchased, just whatever they have on hand. This is Dynasty brand. I am just gonna pour, I don't know, probably about that much. I think it's about a cup or so. This rice is so easy to make. This is our rice cooker that I have. So it's the Aroma brand. Nothing special about it. I think I got it at Walmart possibly years ago, and we use it all the time. It's around here. So all you do is plug it in, and then you take this little button here and you cook it. That's it. It takes maybe about 15 minutes or so. Just set it aside. And the nice part about it is it flips to warm when it's done. I'm gonna clean up Alex, and then hopefully we can finally go on that walk that I've been wanting to go on. It is so nice outside, so let's do that. We are back from our walk. We went for, I believe, about 30 minutes, 25 minutes, something like that. Now, I just brought the Legos out again. We're gonna build some Legos. We are going to read some books, just kind of hang out. I'm gonna sit and play with Alex since I haven't had time to do that yet today. Yeah, just do whatever he wants to do until Carlos gets home. And yeah, we're just gonna play. All right. I just got back from Y-Fit. That class kicked my booty. So there are a lot of people in there, and I'm pretty sure they wouldn't appreciate me recording a few clips. So I did not record while I was there. I am so sweaty, so stinky. I'm gonna eat a quick meal. I'm gonna show you the salmon. Just poured this spicy mayo on the top of it. It's Lee Kum Kee sriracha mayo, and then a protein shake, and I also topped it with a little whipped cream. Night times are one of my absolute favorites. We just watch TV, read books, play with toys. Alex giggles a lot, and it's just like the best. And I don't have to worry about bedtime or getting up to go to work in the morning. So yeah, I showered, got Alex to bed, and it is currently 10:43. So I'm gonna call it a night. I want to thank you for hanging out with me today. If you want to see any more, you know, videos like this, my stay-at-home mom life, let me know. So thanks for watching. Have a good night.